Got a Kawasaki Mule SX XC. Going to show you today how to take the whole hood off so you can install accessories or do whatever you need to do underneath that plastic hood. First thing we're going to do is remove plastic rivets. They're all around the front there. There's one over here. There's a couple screws as well. More plastic rivets here. Screw here, rivet over there. A couple screws down here. They have a tool for this that has basically like a gripper on both sides, but I've got this little pick you can use to just get it started. Just lift it up a little bit, and then you can use it. I've got a tool that does a lift like this, because now I can get under there and just pull that up. And with that guy pulled up, you can just take the whole thing out. And under the hood, you're going to have a push pin here, plastic one here, and then there's one in the front right here. And the two bolts in front. I think we've got a pin on each side here, this on the back side of the bumper. Yep, there's a push pin right here. And don't forget these, there's two more push pins here that hold on the hood to this little grill. You can release the headlights. It's not this tab that you want to push, it's this guy here on the back. Push him down, and then the whole thing will release. That little tab there. The whole headlight assembly will come out. So there you go. That's how you remove the hood from your Kawasaki Mule, so that you can get at different parts under here to install a winch or a fuse box or horns, lights, all kinds of stuff. And I've got all kinds of videos coming out on the Kawasaki Mule SX on how to do all of that. So check back if you want to see a little bit more about how to add accessories. But step one is you got to get that hood off, and that's how you do it. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information is useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.